Hey, this is Matthew Ray from DT Vintage Fans, and I'm here showing my 1990s Casablanca Panama, which I have now installed the permanent blades on this, which are the walnut blades that came off of another Panama that I got oak blades for, but that's another story. Anyway, this is going to show the new light fixture. I got a new, more appropriate globe or bowl for this. It came with the bowl fixture from a Hunter fan. So, anyway, here it is. This is showing the full range dimming. And that is the reverse feature. And there you see it again. And we're going to reverse that. Again. This is Florida and it needs to go down, not up. Well, that's it for now. Have a good evening.